Here at Newtech, we are Kiwi from beginning to end. Your Newtech journey starts with a simple conversation. Design and innovation are at the forefront of our business to ensure you are getting the best there is. Being in a competitive market, we understand things need to move quickly, which is why we do as much as we can in-house here in New Zealand. Our consultants are able to quickly prototype up your specific needs. All our MDF wood used across our Vista and laundry range comes from New Zealand forests and has achieved FSC certification, ensuring the wood comes from responsibly managed forests. You can bring your design ideas to life confident in the knowledge the surfaces you have chosen have been made with a sustainable future in mind. Our in-house team of local cabinet makers work hard to ensure every cabinet that leaves our doors are up to our standards. You can trust in our product and our brand, because here at Newtech, we are Kiwi from beginning to end.